I think at some point it's just let's say the scale of the battery. Yeah. So let's consider a battery that we use in a smartphone or in a tablet, and let's assume the battery pack that is actually packed into a vehicle, electric vehicle or other stationary applications. So at the end of the day, if we break down the components that are inside one of these bigger battery packs that are inside one of the electric vehicles, it is still a battery, and we can simplify the scale up of the technique to an analytical level that we can also investigate using an MR. And in situ NMR. In a sense, we want to learn, and we need to learn about the basics, about the processes, the underlying processes that are happening, to learn how batteries, why batteries function and why not, so why they fail. Yeah, this is surely helpful for all applications, including different types of let's say chemistries. Yeah, because for the smaller things like a smartphone or a tablet, we surely want to use most likely like still lithium batteries, lithium technologies, because of the weight. It's very light. Yeah. For stationary applications, sodium batteries are, for example, an up-and-coming technology, which can also be investigated by NMR spectroscopy very good, because sodium is a very good NMR candidate to measure. Yeah. But the challenges for a stationary battery that basically, allows you to save all the current that is produced by whatever wind or solar energy is a different one than, applying it to a phone that should last for a week or longer without basically being charged. These are maybe some, ideas about the different technologies and applications here.